Welcome to today's daily message. Today I'd like to offer just a brief reflection on the reality of time. There's a lot of different ways that we can think about time. One of the ways that I like to think about it is as a river. And so, what do we know about rivers? They're always moving. They're always moving in the same direction. And time is similar to that with this exception. In time, we can only move in one direction. We can't stop it, and we can't go back. We're caught up in the current of time, and we're in our raft or in our boat or whatever, or however you want to perceive it. And sometimes we know that the current on the river of time is smooth. And so we don't need our oar or our motor, and we can rest and just enjoy the scenery of life around us. And sometimes we have to navigate through the rapids of time when challenges come our way. And so we have to be careful and pay more attention to what we're doing and pay more attention to the river. And sometimes we come across a waterfall. We come across something that drastically changes the direction of our life. And we have to sometimes rethink entirely where we're going. And then there are times when the river divides and we have to make a choice. Are we going to go this way or that way? Is our life going to move in this direction or that one? As I said, we can't stop time. That we know. But we can manage our time. And that would be the end of my reflection today, and my encouragement is that when we think about time and how to manage our time, that we make sure that we spend our time on those things that matter to us the most, and that we spend our time with the people who mean the most to us. Thank you for watching. Have a great day today.